This is 2011 Dodge Caravan. The van have a misfire number 3. Let me show you. Let's open this. You just pull it, this one. I just remove this whole air duct. First of all, remove this PCB. Gently just pull this. Mass airflow sensor connector. Just push the tab right here. See this little tab, just push this and pull it to come out. Then filter housing, just remove this. And right here one, just pull from the bottom. There's another one right here. After that, this thing is, this one, you see this, there was one clip, it was like this, just like this. So with the screwdriver you just pry from here and it will come out. See this, it came out. Then you can pull the whole thing out. Gently, see everything out. So you can get easy access to the tree. You see there's a spark plug in the back, one, 3 and a 5 right there. So let me check this. Open this spark plug. There's a 10mm bolt. I'm gonna open this 10mm bolt and push the tab here and pull it. Yeah, I took a 10mm bolt. Take the coil out. Let me open the spark plug. Use one of the extension with the spark plug opener. Very easy access. The spark plug I take from there. It doesn't look too bad.
Simply just put the new spark plug back and make sure you put the connection and tight the 10mm bolt. That's all, guys.